How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Thai teaching series. In today's lesson, which I don't know that I'd really call it a lesson, we're just going to be doing an intro to the Thai alphabet. Okay, there's 44 characters in the Thai alphabet, not including the 32 vowels that we learned in a previous video. So there's a lot to memorize, which we will get to, little by little. I'm not going to even cover all the letters of the alphabet in one video. Probably do a little 2-3 video series of just the letters. But before I do that, I just want to give you an intro to the alphabet and how the names of the Thai letters work, and just a couple little tips on reading. I have up top here a little example. Basically what I would probably say is the closest thing to an English equivalent. All the names of the Thai letters are going to look something like this, okay? Like say for instance the letter B in English was, instead of B, was B-ball. Okay, that's the way that Thai letters are going to function. Now, being phonetic with English, we wouldn't say B-ball when we're reading. We would just say the initial sound, the sound that the letter B makes, which is ba. Okay, it's going to function the same way in Thai, which is also phonetic. Okay, so I've written out here, if you can see on the bottom here, this is the first letter of the Thai alphabet. Okay, and now the name of this letter I've written out here. There's two parts to it. The first part is ga, ga, okay? And the second part is gai, ga, gai, okay? Now, for all of the, just like the pattern above, this second part of the word here, just like ball, it is an actual object, which is the word gai, and Thai means chicken, okay? So, but the first part is what we're going to want to focus more in on, okay? So we have the word ga here. Now, just like the letter B though, we don't want to know so much about the ga as we do the initial sound that ga is going to make, which is going to tell us what we need to say when we're reading. In the same way that we don't say B, we say ba. Instead of saying ga when we're reading, we would say that initial ga sound, that ga, ga. So the sound basically that I'm making when I say ga, minus the ah part, just something to note, all of the Thai letters are going to follow a similar pattern. Obviously, for the second word, just like above, it's going to be all different objects, all different kinds of things. But the initial part, so what we're concerned with right now is the sound of this initial letter here. But then if you remember from our vowel lesson, this is the sound ah, okay? And all the names of the Thai consonants are going to have that ah sound in the initial part of its name, okay? So when we get into other letters, for example, we're going to see things like ka, nga, ja, cha, sa, ya. There's just, okay, all of these initial sounds that go along with the names of the consonants are going to have that ah in there. But again, what we want to concern ourselves with is what sound does that initial letter make that goes before the ah. Okay, that's going to be the important part when we read Thai, which, as I said, again, is phonetic. Okay, so I just want to let you know that just to help as we go through the letters, because when we get into the next video, I'm not going to explain this again. I'm just going to assume that you know this, that you've watched this, and then just jump right into the letters. Okay, yeah, I think that's all probably that needs to be said for right now. And in our next video, we're going to jump into the first 15 letters of the Thai alphabet.